Good morning, my dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Then in the last class we studied how to write division facts from multiplication fact. Okay, today we are going to study how to write multiplication facts from division fact. Okay, for that 14 divided by 7 equal to 14 divided by 7, how much it is? The divisor is 7. Then 7 into which number gives 14? 7 into which number gives 14 in the multiplication table? Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 7 twos are 14. So 14 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. Okay, then how we will write the multiplication fact? The first multiplication fact is this one, 7 into 2 equal to 14. That is 7 into 2 equal to 7 into 2 equal to 14. Okay, the next multiplication fact is 2 into 7 equal to 14. Okay, 2 into 7 is also 14. Okay, then 7 into 2 equal to 14 and 2 into 7 equal to 14. Here also we will get two multiplication facts from one division fact. Okay, then the next one, 18 divided by 6. How much it is? 18 divided by 6. 6 into which number gives 18? Okay, go through the multiplication table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Okay, 6 threes are 18. So, what is the answer? 18 divided by 6 equal to 3. Okay, so it is the one multiplication fact. 6 into 3 equal to 18. Then how we will get the next one? Okay, we want to change the order. That is 3 into 6 equal to 18. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, you can write this into your notebook. Is the first one and it is the second one. Okay. Now we can go to the textbook page number 90. The second question, write the multiplication facts for the following divisions. Okay, you want to write the multiplication facts for the division. So the first one is 28 divided by 4 equal to 7. So the first multiplication fact, how we will get? 7 into 4 equal to 28. Okay, 7 into 4 equal to 28. Then the next multiplication fact you want to write here. How we will get? 4 into 7 equal to 28. Okay, I will write here. It's 7 into 4 equal to 28. The next one is 4 into 7 equal to 28. This way you want to write question number B, C, D, E and F. Okay, you can do it in the textbook itself. Two multiplication facts you want to write. Okay. Now we can study how to divide with 1 and 0. Okay, a number divided by 1 and 0 divided by a number and a number divided by the same number. Okay, then a number divided by 1. What will be the answer? The number itself. Okay, 2 divided by 1, the answer is 2. Okay, 2 divided by 1 equal to 2. Okay, it's a division by 1. Okay, a number divided by 1 equal to the same number. Okay, here it is dividend, it's divisor and it is quotient. Okay, a number divided by 1 is the number itself. Okay, when you divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay, a number divided by 1 equal to the same number. Okay, otherwise we can say like that, a number divided by 1 gives a quotient as the same number. No need to study like that. What we want to study in an easy way, we can write like this: a number divided by 1 equal to the same number. Okay, a number divided by 1 equal to the same number. Okay, then tell me what's 7 divided by 1? 7 divided by 1. What is the answer? It's equal to 7. Okay, then 10 divided by 1. It's equal to 10. Okay, then 23 divided by 1. Okay, tell me the answer. 23 divided by 1. Yeah, very good. It's a 23. Okay, now how many examples we wrote? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the fifth one is 100 divided by 1. It's equal to, yes, 100. Okay. Now you studied how to divide number. Okay. A number divided by 1 equal to the same number. Okay. After that you want to write this also. A number divided by 1 equal to the same number. Okay. All these you want to write into your notebook. First you want to write the examples. After that you want to write this also. Okay. Okay, the next, division of a number by itself. Okay, we are dividing a number by the same number. Then here 2 divided by 2. How much it is? A number divided by same number equal to 1. Okay, then second one, 3 divided by 3. It's equal to 1. Okay, third one, 10 divided by 10. It's equal to 1. A number divided by same number equal to 1. Okay, then tell me what is the answer of 37 divided by 37? 37 divided by 37. It's very good. It's 1. A number divided by same number equal to 1. Okay, then 112 divided by 112. What is the answer? 100 and big number, isn't it? 112 divided by 112. It is? Yeah, you studied all, isn't it? Okay, then it's a 1. Okay, then sixth one, which number we want to write? Okay, we can write a 4-digit number. Okay, 7562 divided by 7562. It's equal to, very simple, it's 1. Okay, then what we can write? Okay, it's a point. A number divided by itself, or we can write the same number. Okay, a number divided by the same number. It's equal to 1. Okay, a number divided by same number equal to 1. You are studying English and all, then don't tell me that miss the grammar is wrong and like that. Okay, you want to know the thing, it's a number divided by same number equal to 1. Okay, I am not giving it in a full sentence. Okay, it's clear? Okay, then the next one. Okay, you can write all these into your notebook. Then next one, division of 0. Okay, division of 0 by any number. Division of 0 by any number. Okay, division of 0 by any number. In this division of 0 by any number, we can write one example. Okay, sorry. 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2. It's equal to 0. Okay. 0 divided by any number equal to 0. 0 divided by any number, it's equal to 0. Okay, once again, 0 divided by any number equal to 0. Okay, then second one, 0 divided by 48. How much it is? It's equal to 0. Okay, then third one, 0 divided by 378 equal to 0. Okay, so what we can write? Okay, 0 divided by any number. Okay, whatever the number, 0 divided by any number equal to 0. Okay, 0 divided by any number equal to 0. Okay, then here one important point is there. Then here we wrote 0 divided by 2. Then 2 divided by 0. It is not defined. Okay, now we can say that division with 0 is not possible. Or we can say like that, we can't divide a number by 0. Okay, the reason is that the division of 0 is not defined. So what we want to say, we can say that we can't divide with 0. Okay, then the next point, here one more point is there. Okay, the next point I wrote in the notebook, we can't divide any number by 0. Okay, we can't divide any number by 0. Okay, then after that what to do I will tell you. Take page number 91 and in 91 you can see here one box, 9 divided by 1. What is the answer? You write here, and 16 divided by 1. What's the answer? Okay, you want to fill all these things, and after that in page number 92, in 92 two boxes are there. First one here, it's a 75 divided by 75, like this 2 are there. You want to write the answer of these two. After that the next box here, 0 divided by 7, what is the answer? Then these 4 answers you want to write here. Okay, then go to the exercise 1.2. in that G and H. Okay, G and H homework. Okay, after that match the following. That also you want to do. Okay, G, H, after that match the following. Okay, then with this we can wind up today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.